Welcome back to my channel again. This is Via Train number 85, and I'm not sure if I'm going to see it or not because guys yeah? Okay. I'll come in a couple minutes. Oh, we are playing Super Mario Maker Versus, and Zach's level is ready. I made my level in a couple minutes early. I'll just tell you guys the info. There's basically pipes with enemies in them, and then
garlic every time on our turkey. Oh. Okay. Don't say yes until you know that I've been doing it this whole time. I haven't changed the thing.
I'll play that later.
You know you can play right now.
He wants to watch the train.
Yeah, but it's not that hard.
It's coming in 5 minutes.
It could be late.
It is late. It is late. The scheduled time is 1:31. It's 1:35. So it's late. And if you didn't know, Via 84 today was on time when it came here. It was on time, but it was late departing Stratford, but on time arriving in Stratford.
Jack, get off of those, please.
And
I don't want to have to take you to the hospital because you cracked your head open.
sorry for the snowstorm. Very bad snowstorm today. But we need the snow because snow is starting to melt.
We want to go snowmobiling.
Yep. Snowmobiling means like our way of going snowmobiling.
Paige forgot her laptop. And then she's coming back?
So possibly it's an F40PH coming in. Come on, F40. Could be a P42. I don't know. Do you think it's an F40PH-2? Or do you think it's going to be a P42DC? Yeah? I don't like juice boxes, remember?
I didn't know.
Yeah, this is the bad one. Bad snowstorm. This is a bad snowstorm. Definitely not a safe snowstorm to drive. Very. I don't know if Via Rose can go through snowstorms. Trains can't go through. I think trains can go through these snowstorms.
You don't need to watch this. Go. No, you're not. This is my show. Get your ass upstairs. This is my TV right now.
I can't change the channel.
Why?
I can't
F40. Those of you, I already called it, Zach. It's an F40. F40? One buck car. 2 buck cars. Woo! Nice horn, buddy. Nice horn. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.